Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
O gentle one, I simply lament for he, Dhṛitarāṣṭra, who rebelled against his brother after death. By him I was driven out of my own house, although I am his sincere well-wisher, because he accepted the line of action adopted by his own sons. Vidura did not ask about the welfare of his elder brother because there was no chance of his well-being, only news of his gliding down to hell. Vidura was a sincere well-wisher for Dhṛitarāṣṭra, and he had a thought about him in the corner of his heart. He lamented that Dhṛitarāṣṭra could rebel against the sons of his dead brother Pandu, and that he could drive him, Vidura, out of his own house on the dictation of his crooked sons. In spite of these actions, Vidura never became an enemy of Dhṛitarāṣṭra, but continued to be his well-wisher, and at the last stage of Dhṛitarāṣṭra's life, it was Vidura only who proved to be his real friend. Such is the behavior of a Vaishnava like Vidura. He desires all good, even for his enemies.